When a washer fails to fill with water, there are several possible causes, including clogged filters or a faulty water inlet valve. To address this issue, start by gently cleaning the filters. Begin by disconnecting the machine from the power source and removing the hoses from the back. Then, run the filters through water to remove any visible debris. Use a soft brush to clean the clogged filter. And once it's clean, put it back in place and restart the machine. If this doesn't resolve the issue, the next step is to clean the water valve. Be sure to turn off the water supply before disconnecting the hoses. And then carefully remove any debris from the filter screen. After cleaning the valve, reattach the hoses and turn the water back on. If the problem persists, it's likely that the valve is broken and will need to be repaired or replaced by a professional technician. By following these steps, you should be able to fix a washer that's not filling with water.